So today I'm going to show you how I make donuts from a can of biscuits. It's so easy and so quick. We're going to do glaze, and we're going to do some of them with a little bit of white chocolate and pretty design on them. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I have a can of Pillsbury biscuits, and I've just put them onto my little cutting board. And I don't know what this thing is, but it's perfect for cutting circles out of the biscuits and making donuts. I wish I could tell you what it was, but I don't know. So you can use a tablespoon and dig your holes out if you don't have one of these things. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut my holes, and I put them to the side because I am gonna make donut holes with that extra little biscuit dough. And I'm heating my oil while I'm doing this so that I'm ready for frying. And we just wanna pop them into our oil. And I only put a few at a time because I want to be able to manage them well. I don't want to put too many in there and then have them burn because I can't flip them all or get them all out in time. They do cook pretty fast, about a minute each side. So they should look golden just like this. And then you want to flip them over and give them another minute. And they are done, so I'm just going to take them out and set them onto my cooling rack. They look so pretty, they're nice and golden. So there they are on my cooling rack, and obviously I just cooked all of them the same way. And now we're going to make our glaze, and I underestimated how much I was going to need. So definitely, I'm going to give you the correct measurements. You should have 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar, and then you're going to want to do 5 tablespoons of half and half and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then you want to mix that all together. And the reason you want to sift your powdered sugar is so that it's not clumpy. You don't want your glaze to be clumpy. You want it to be nice and smooth. So sifting your powdered sugar will do that, and you want to just keep on whisking it until it is a smooth glaze. So I did put my glaze into a pie tin. You don't have to. I could have left it in the bowl. It probably would have been easier because it would have been deeper and I wouldn't have to roll my donut around on the sides like I'm doing here. So just a little tip. A couple things to avoid that I did wrong. But yeah, it's fine. You just want to make sure it's nicely coated. You get the glaze all over your donut, and then you're going to want to set it onto the cooling rack. And let that excess glaze drip off while it's cooling. And you're going to do the same thing with the donut holes. Just pop them in there and roll them around, and then set them on the cooling rack. So it's all dry, and I have melted some white almond bark, and I'm gonna dip my donut in there because now I'm gonna decorate some of them. You can leave them all glazed if you want. I'm just decorating and making different designs with my donuts. So I'm shaking off the excess white chocolate, and then I'm gonna shake the donut a little bit so that it's smooth. I also melted some pink chocolate, and I'm just squeezing that onto my donut. And I had some gold sprinkles and some pink sprinkles, so I just mixed them together, and I am putting those onto that half of the donut. And you can do whatever designs you want on your donuts. You can use chocolate or white chocolate like I did, whatever you want to do. Be creative and have fun with it. And that's one of my donut holes, and I'm doing a taste test and my little food dance party because it's bomb. And those are the donuts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it was super easy for you guys. Let me know if you make these, and send me pictures on Spice Cabinet Instagram. I would love to see how you guys designed your donuts. Love you. Bye.